Lamel, hey, yeah, hey, yeah. Yo niggas be fake, my niggas be real. Yo niggas be fake, my niggas be real. Yeah. Yo niggas be fake, my niggas be real. If you call that line, then we up still. Fix your ass up, call me Dr. Phil.
Nigga, you should
Know the drill. Nigga know I gotta keep the blow. Yo nigga be lacking, kicking doors. He probably mad cause I took his hoe.
Yo nigga be fake, my niggas be real. Fake.
Yo niggas be fake, my niggas be real.
Fake. Lot of your niggas they snitch and steal. Why they talk? My niggas they let money bill. If it bullshit, load them up, we gotta kill. Nowadays ain't nobody real. Get a nigga, gave a nigga my shirt on my back. Hold on, what made me wanna kill him? We were cool, he told him I wanna kill him. Nowadays got me wanna bust him with my own straps. 100 racks. Don't trust him, but it's sad you hate it while you're breathing. Damn, but crying standing over me when I'm leaving.
Yo niggas be fake, my niggas be real. Yo niggas be fake, my niggas be real. Yo niggas be fake, my niggas be real. Call that line, bitch, you gotta understand. Get in line, bitch, you know the drill. You should know that. Let's get it.